when you are applying for a job or applying to a client, you need to stand out. You need to tell the customer without telling them. You need to give them an impression na kaya mong gawin yung gusto nilang gawin. Kailangan mong ma-relay yung message sa kanila na kahit hindi pa kayo nag-uusap, you are the right person for the job. If it's anything that doesn't help that, remove it from the resume. And always consider your resume as hindi lang siya papel. It's actually it's the start of negotiation. If yung resume mo doesn't tell the HR or the person behind the other screen, kung hindi nila makita na you're not worth what you're asking for or what you're applying for, they're just going to ignore you. Hindi ka nila papansinin. Wala silang pakialam sa mga natapos mo sa buhay, kung na-achieve mo, kung ano man yan. Ang pakialam ng mga clients, ang pakialam ng mga company yung sarili nila. They don't care about you. That's the truth.